So here's how I set up my Sign Up Genius. Once you have your account, I click on Create a Sign Up, and it's going to come up with some options. You name your group. You can create a new group called Laptop Carts or whatever you want to do. I have this existing group called Overton Library. You title it, so maybe you'll call this Laptop Carts, you know, 1, 2, 3. And then you click on continue, and then it just kind of walks you through. You pick a theme. I'll pick that theme, and then you go through. Um, what type of event are people signing up for? We do time slots, and the way we do it is you pick the range of dates. So I'll do it from the 21st till spring break or something like that. I usually try to give it a long time, usually longer than that for me. And this is something tricky that you wouldn't necessarily know on your own. I do it from 7:05 to 2:05 p.m. and I do it for 7 hours. And oh, location. This is where I put the number of the cart. So you'll do this for each cart that's on your sign up. So if I have cart 42, 43, and 44, I'll go through this process for each one of my carts. Um, so I'll continue, and then so my time slots I'll set up first block, second block, third block, and fourth block. Okay, so that's how I have it set up. And then I'll continue and notify me when somebody signs up. So you can pick which one of those setups you like. And so then I'll go back and I will add more time slots. So then I will do the same thing. I'll set it up with the same date and the same, end it on the same date, but this time I'll put laptop cart 45, and I go through the same process, 7:05 to 2:05 p.m. every 7 hours. Add time slots, and now you can see that I didn't put a date to start. All right, so let me just try this again really quickly. I didn't put the start date, so I'll put the start date and I'll put the end date, and this time I'm going to put cart 45 and 7:05 to 2:05 p.m. every 7 hours. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, so now you can see that on the 20th, I have, oh, I started on different days, but on the 21st, I have both cart 42 and 45. So it should go all the way down like that. And then when you view it live, we'll preview it. It will, for every day, it'll have the cart, and then if you want to sign up for first, second, third, or fourth. So then when your dates are run out, you'll just come back in and edit it, and you'll click on add time slots. Every time you want to add more dates, you can delete the old ones and just click on add time slots to add more dates. And it works great. And what I usually do is when I click on this invite publish, I usually just I don't send out invites. I do the option where I get a link, and I have that link that I have on our school website, or you can just send it out. Take it live, but don't send. Oh, so here's the link, and you can just send that link to anybody that you'd like to send it to. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Bye.